Fiber optic networks demand precision cleaning. Contaminants such as dust, oils, and microscopic debris can interfere with fiber optic networks, degrading signal quality, increasing latency, and even causing failures, requiring costly callbacks for rework. Stay tuned for how to use the Sticklers Cassette CleanClicker as your go-to tool for quick, high-performance cleaning of fiber optic connectors. The disposable compact cassette fits easily in your hand, and the case is made with anti-static materials to prevent ESD damage. It is easy to use in both field and manufacturing environments. Perfect for field technicians, fiber optic labs, and data centers, the Sticklers Cassette CleanClicker is designed for repeated, reliable cleaning of all male fiber optic connectors. The Cassette CleanClicker features a high-purity micro-woven cleaning ribbon that removes dust, oils, and static, ensuring a pristine end face every time. The transparent window lets you see the remaining cleaning ribbon in the tool. Each Cassette CleanClicker tool has approximately 12.5 meters or 40 feet of ribbon to provide 400+ end face cleanings. Using the Cassette CleanClicker is simple. Step 1. Manually advance the wheel 3 clicks before each cleaning to ensure a clean section of ribbon is exposed. The smooth wheel action prevents the cleaning ribbon from bunching up. Step 2. Wipe the soiled end face once in the direction shown to avoid cross-contamination. For optimal results and to remove static, use the wet-to-dry cleaning method with Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner. Spray the cleaning ribbon once to apply the ultra-pure metered dose. Wipe the end face once in the direction shown to completely remove dust, dirt, fingerprints, moisture, and static. Always clean both ends of a fiber optic connector pair to prevent contamination transfer. Even if only one end appears dirty, debris or oils can transfer when the connectors are mated, causing back reflection, absorption loss, insertion loss, or even permanent damage. To keep your fiber optic network running at peak performance, trust the Sticklers Cassette CleanClicker for fast, effective cleaning every time. Choose Sticklers when you need perfectly clean splices and connectors. And for fully automated, touchless cleaning that reduces human error and maximizes efficiency, check out the Sticklers Pro 360 Touchless Cleaner. It's fast, consistent, and ideal for high-volume environments. Explore the full line of Sticklers cleaning solutions at sticklerscleaners.com.